Every nation is rooted and defined by its history. We are proud to be from a nation whose history stretches back thousands of years. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you, and on behalf of Shivaji House, I and my house members are going to conduct today's morning assembly on the theme The Golden History of India, which is a big honor for us. India's history and culture is dynamic. It is a curious place that still preserves the past, religions, and its history. We are proud to be an Indian. As we all know that God is the protector of our life, and prayer is one of the most ancient expressions of religion. Let's we all pray to God, requesting God to give strength, peace, and purest intellect. Get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, pledge. Pledge is an important part of daily morning assembly. The daily repetition of the pledge inculcates the importance of fidelity to our country. For pledge, I would like to call Swapnil from class 8th. Thank you, Swapnil. India has been a country of great rulers, and they have the remains till now. Over the centuries, several kings, strong, brave, courageous, ruled different regions of the Indian subcontinent and displayed their skill and valor several times. Effective leaders are those gifted with divine inspiration and the right characteristics. No doubt that the history of the India is with the biography of great men. And it's time for today's thought. For this, I would like to call Rashi from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Rashi. Today's thought is, freedom is a boon which everyone has the right to receive. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the greatest and most iconic Indians of all times. He is a symbol of many virtues, more especially of love of country. He was a lover of freedom and enjoyed freedom in spirit and practice. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a devout Hindu's life, was a mission in which he sought to give freedom to anyone and everyone through his warfare and administration. He was undoubtedly one of the greatest in Indian history. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Rashi. India has been the place of many rulers. Many great rulers in the history of the world have been born here. Many kingdoms flourished over here. There are few kingdoms which changed the scenario and history of India. India boasts a vibrant history full of fascinating stories of empires and rulers. To pay tribute to great rulers and great personalities, I would like to call Preeta from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you, Preeta, for such a knowledgeable speech. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. The national anthem presents a country's identity to the world, and it acts as an instrument of unity among its citizens. Let us all unitedly sing national anthem. Now you all get ready for national anthem. Today's assembly is over. I want to express my sincere thanks and appreciation to all present here. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.